Welcome back to Excel Tech. In this video, we are going to see how to use VBA in Excel. Why we are using VBA and what VBA can do. So we are using a VBA to do automation task in Excel. So whatever we are doing in Excel, we can use a VBA to automate it. That's why we are using a VBA. So in order to use a VBA, you need to have a developer tab. If you already don't have a developer tab, no worries. You can go to Files, click on Options. Under Options, go on Customize ribbon. Here you can see Developer. If the checkbox was not enabled, just enable it and click OK. The developer tab will be enabled for you. Now to open the VBA menu or VBA window, click Alt F11. So Alt F11 will be shortcut to open the Visual Basic application. So when you open the Visual Basic application, you can see project window here. So here you can able to see sheet name, this workbook and module. If you don't have module in your VBA application, go to Insert and click Module. If you want the project tab, you can leave as it is. As I don't want here, so I can simply close it. So in this video, what we are going to do with the VBA? We are going to add a multiple workbooks using VBA. So you can see here, XLTech VBA is one of the workbook. So likewise, you can add a multiple workbooks. So usually, when you hit Ctrl N from the Excel workbook, the new workbook will be added. Likewise, we are going to use a command in Excel to add a workbooks. Any VBA coding should start with sub and end with end sub. So in between sub and end sub, you can have your codings. I can type sub xltech _ s1. That is scenario 1. Open bracket and close bracket and hit the enter. So when you hit the enter, end sub will be auto added. So now to add a workbook, so the command would be Workbooks.Add. Now I am going to use a F8 to run it step by step. So F8 will run code line by line. F5 will use a code to run between sub to end sub automatically. So now we are going to run a code step by step using F8 option. You can also use a F8 to run a code from sub to end sub automatically. But F8 is the best practice when you run a code first time. So let's use the F8 option. When I click F8, you can able to see the codes are highlighting in yellow. So the highlighted one is going to run now when you hit F8 again. So you can see the workbook has been added. If I run again the same coding, another workbook will be added. So for example, I need to add 10 workbooks now. So in that case, I can't run this code 10 times. If you want to repeat the same task again and again in Excel VBA, either you need to use for next command or do while loop. The both command will run your coding again and again based on the criteria you set up. Let's move on and see how to do it. As I said, any VBA coding, you need to start with sub. You can type sub xltech _ scenario 2. Open bracket, close bracket and end sub will be automatically coming up. Before you using for or next, you need to declare variables. So the variable will be changed dynamically and it will run your coding until end of your criteria. So I am using dim I as double because we are going to add 10 workbooks. 10 is a number value. That's why we are using a double. So now we are going to add a for I equal to 1 to 10. When I run this code, if I run first time, the I value will be 1. If I run second time, the I value will be changed to 2. If I run 10th time, the I value will be 10. So likewise, it will auto run up to 10 times as we set the endpoint as 10. And whenever you are using for, don't forget to enter next immediately. That is the best practice in VBA. So in between for and next, you can type your VBA commands, what you want Excel to do. So I want to add a workbooks. That's why I am using the Workbooks.Add. Let's run step by step for now. So you can see I value is 0. Once the for code is running, it's changed to 1. Now the first workbook has been added. And after next, the I value changed to 2. And now I value changed to 3. So likewise, it will run up to 10 times. Now you can able to see 10 workbook has been added for us based on this coding. So you can change this 10 to any number however you want. Hope you understand my explanation. Let me know in comments if I need to improve anything. For sure, I will work on it. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in another Excel video. Until then, bye from Arvind.